Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be getting back into the Mustang here, and we're going to be starting to put all the interior back together. So first things first is we're going to get underneath the dash, and we got a new dash pad, so we're going to get that installed first. So stick around if you'd like to see how we do it. So here is the new Firewall insulator pad that we just recently purchased right here. Picked it up from a local Mustang shop down the street from my house right here. The nice thing about it, it's about the same thickness as the old one. It might be a tiny bit thinner. It's not a huge difference, but it also does have the perforated cutouts for all the accessories that's going to be under the dash right here. So we're going to go on ahead. We're going to crawl into there and start getting this installed here. And it also did come with these plastic clips to press in to hold it into place here. So let's jump in and let's get it taken care of. We got those first two right there. The next one should be right over here, kind of right in the middle of over where that hole is right there. And then we'll keep working our way down. All right, you guys, so I've got the passenger side more or less attached under here. I've got the attachment over here in the corner, as well as it looks like one right up in the middle, kind of, or right near where the heater box is gonna go. Now we're gonna have to start focusing on this side, on the driver's side over here. Over here, now from my understanding with this stuff, you're usually supposed to have most of the stuff out of here and not connected to be able to put this in properly. To be honest with you, just don't feel like pulling everything out from underneath my dash to put in this dash pad right here. I already sprayed some insulation up around the foot area up here, so this is just a little bit more insulation here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting this up here. I'm going to start kind of cutting some some slots, like this part I believe right here goes around the pedal. There's another one I believe that goes around like the speedometer cable, some stuff like that right there. So I'm just gonna kind of start trimming this out a little bit to fit around what I have in here, instead of pulling everything out to put this one piece in right here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I trimmed out some spots here so I can fit this around what I need to up underneath the dash. So now I'm going to try and get it all fit in there and see how it goes. Alright guys, so there we have it. We have the Firewall insulator pad installed in here. Wasn't too bad installing it on this side right here. Over on the driver's side, however, that was a bit of a pain. I had to cut it right here, again at the steering column, just because I have an aftermarket steering column, different type of pedal assembly up there, so it was a little bit tight, so I couldn't squeeze it around it. So I cut it right there, and then I trimmed off a little bit on this side, and I hung up that side right there on the towards the far driver's side right here. So I got it all in. I'm pretty happy with it. I know it's not perfect, but I do already have some of the lizard skin insulation up there as well, so I think that'll help out. So this will just add a little bit more to it right here. So yeah, so we are all set on this right here. All right guys, so that is all there is to installing your Firewall insulation pad in your 66 Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and we'll see you in the next project. Thanks.